morning from my kitchen and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It is almost 9. I can't believe it's almost 9. But I did wake up, I think around 8. Alex left for school this morning and then I woke up pretty much when he left. And he left around 8. So I've been up since 8 and I've just been cleaning up a bit the apartment. So I just like tidied up our room a little bit. We had some clothes that were drying that I put away. Just like tidying up a bit like in the bedroom and then the living room a little bit. I still have to do like the kitchen. I want to vacuum today, but we'll see if I end up doing that like right now or maybe later this afternoon. We'll see. But right now I'm starving. I'm really hungry, so I'm going to make my lemon water. Basically what I do is I add some lemon juice, some honey, and some cinnamon that I have to take out. And I put like warm water, mix it together, and then I drink that in the morning. It feels pretty nice in the morning to drink that. It's a warm beverage, so I'm gonna make that and then I'm gonna make breakfast afterwards. I just made my water. This is what it looks like. It really does not look good, but it tastes pretty good, so it goes down easy. And like the honey and the lemon juice kind of taste like a lemonade, and then I like cinnamon, so like the cinnamon is just really good on top. So I'm gonna drink that. I think I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen while I'm drinking that because it is a mess. I mean, it's not that big of a mess, but I have to empty the dishwasher, load it back up, and like wash the counters. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna make breakfast because I'm starving. Nala! Nala, your little ear is in the way. My cat literally just gave me the biggest freaking panic attack. She pulled a freaking like Mufasa on me, and let me just show you what she did. So the cats like to go up here, so they go onto the counter, onto the fridge, and they go up, and then she was running like back and forth, and I'm like, is she gonna fall or what? Then she stops here and she's like, I'm gonna make my way across here. Oh my god, worst freaking idea. She starts walking here and falls. I'm literally cooking breakfast right now, the stove is hot, and she falls, so I had to catch her. I got so scared. Like, she's literally like an adrenaline junkie. She'll literally be on top right here and jump completely off all the way to the ground. So I'm like kind of used to it, but at the same time, my little mommy heart gets very stressed. These two cats, the two younger ones, stress me the fuck out. All right, I'm sitting in the living room like I always do. And I've got my breakfast right here. I made some scrambled eggs that really don't look good but are gonna taste amazing. And a pancake, chocolate chip pancake. So I'm gonna eat breakfast, chill a bit, watch a bit of Gossip Girl. And then I'm going to continue cleaning the apartment, and I think I wanna do another Pilates class. I did one last week and it was a lot of fun, so I wanna do another one today. So I'll probably end up doing that at a later time today and then kind of get ready. That'll probably like make me feel like the day has started. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and I will update you guys later. All right, I have changed. I'm wearing my leggings, sports bra. I'm going to do a Pilates class. I think I'm gonna try to find one for like lower body. So I'm gonna do that right now. I've got my laptop, some weights, some bala bangles, a cat. They always come to see me when I work out. All right, so I'm going to do a little quick workout and I will talk to you afterwards. All right, so I just finished my workout. I'm going to head in the shower and I will talk to you in a bit. I'm getting kind of hungry, so I'm probably gonna make a snack and I'm really excited. We're probably gonna make a few different snacks today, or maybe just the one. There's one that I really wanna prep. And then there's a few that I really want to try out today, so I'm really excited about that. New snacks are always fun. And I'll have like the Pilates class linked down below. It's from a girl that I found on TikTok. Her YouTube channel is called I'm Sweaty and I Know It. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. So I'll have that link down below for you guys if ever you're interested in trying out your first Pilates class. All right, I'm out of the shower and I'm ready. I got dressed. Let me show you guys my outfit. All right, so I'm wearing joggers from Dynamite, little crop top from Zara with a bralette from American Eagle that I got a few years ago, but I know they still have it. That is my outfit for today. Now, I think it's time to go make coffee because I have not had coffee yet and I want coffee. It's also already 11:36, which means Alex is probably going to be on his way home soon and he's probably going to be eating lunch. So, well, I won't be eating lunch, obviously. I'm not hungry. I thought I was earlier, but I think if I just drink my coffee, that'll be enough. So I'm gonna make some iced coffee and then edit. I have some editing to do, and today is Monday. Today we're grinding and we are getting a lot of stuff done. So we're gonna do that right now. But first off, let's make coffee. This is one of the most beautiful moments of my morning. Like, yum. Oh, so excited. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell. I love it. I love my iced coffee so freaking much. All right, so I made lunch. I've got some soup and then some veggies with hummus, and I got some like really yummy garlic hummus. So I'm really excited to eat that. And then my soup, I still have some coffee and some water to drink. And I'm gonna watch Tara Michelle's vlog. She just got one up like a few minutes ago, I think, or like maybe 30 minutes ago. And I'm really excited to watch it. So I'm gonna watch some Tara Michelle Vlogmas content and eat my lunch. That's what I'm gonna do. What is up? Oh, this background is so cute. Also, watching Gilmore Girls right now. Honestly, my all-time favorite show has to be Gilmore Girls. I have rewatched this show so many times. Anyways, I have been very lazy this afternoon. I did post my video, so I'm excited about that. But I am like sick and tired of sitting on the couch. Like, I've been doing stuff, but like I just want to get up and do something else, you know? So I'm going to make some snacks for tomorrow, I think, or maybe dessert today, depending on how much time I get or like how much time they take to make. I want to make like Snickers bars out of dates, like healthy Snickers bars. So I'm gonna make that right now, and I thought I would bring you guys along. Also, I still need to kind of like figure out what I want to make for dinner. I think I want to make something with pesto, but I'm not sure like what. I don't know. And I don't want to make pasta because I made pasta like 2 nights ago, so I'm like, I don't want to make pasta again. Like, we just ate pasta, and I want to be a little bit more creative than pasta, you know what I mean? Anyways, while I figure out what I'm gonna make, I will make those little healthy Snickers bars, I guess. A little tiny angel with me. Look, Bea, say hi. Okay, so what you need for this recipe, it's really easy. You need some dates, some peanut butter. I have natural peanut butter. Chocolate chip, I only have semi-sweet, so we're gonna go with what we got. And some coconut oil to melt the chocolate chips with. So I'm gonna start prepping, and I'll do like a step-by-step for you guys, and I'll also have a recipe link down below if you guys are interested. Okay, so first off, I took the pits out of my dates, cut them halfway through open, and now I have to put peanut butter in them. The peanut butter has been added, but this looks like a lot of peanut butter. I might have gone a bit overboard on the peanut butter, but honestly, it's fine. I love peanut butter, so that's fine. What's stressing me out is the melted chocolate. I always make too much or not enough, and then I have to make more, and like I only have 4 dates here, so crossing my fingers that I make just enough. That would be great. Also, my cupboard door broke. The one from like my corner, like right here, literally broke. I put a little sticky note, broken door. I'm gonna have to call our landlord. It's the thing right here that broke. Like, I literally think it's broken because like I have 2 pieces of metal right there. Like, I don't think these are supposed to be off. Like, they literally look broken, but I'll have Alex take a look at it and see if he can't fix it before I call the landlord. Anyways, we're going to melt the chocolate. I'm not gonna make too much. I think this is more than enough. I'm literally making this much chocolate, which might be a lot. Great, I'm gonna melt that. in 30 seconds intervals, and then cover the dates with it. All right, chocolate has been melted. I don't know what's going on with my hair today. I'm having problems with it. Like I don't understand. So yeah, I melted the chocolate. I don't know if I made too much. I think I made probably enough. And like if there's a bit left, then I'll probably just finish it. And I'm debating, because I have coconut flakes up there, unsweetened coconut flakes. So I'm like, do I want coconut flakes on like a few of these? Because I feel like they could be so good. So I don't know, I might do that. I usually do that when I make like these kinds of things. So okay, let's put chocolate on them or roll them in the chocolate. Like I don't know how to go about this, but I will show you the final product before putting it in the fridge. And there we go, the final product. So I did end up doing 2 with coconut flakes on them and then 2 without, just to see the difference between them. But since I put coconut oil in the chocolate, I thought the coconut flakes would go really well with it, and I feel like it's gonna be yummy. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge and then do a taste test whenever they're ready, so either today or in tomorrow's Vlogmas. So we'll see. I'm gonna put these in the fridge and I'm gonna start prep for dinner. I think I'm gonna make like bowls, like chicken bowls with potatoes and maybe like broccoli, and then I'll make like a fun pesto sauce because we have pesto and I really want to use the pesto. So that's probably what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm gonna make the potatoes in the air fryer, so that always turns out really good. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and start meal prepping for dinner. Not meal prepping, but just prepping for dinner. I just broke something. Oh, there's glass everywhere on the floor. I just used the broom to like sweep most of it into a pile, and then I'm gonna vacuum, but like now I gotta pick up and there's a whole bunch of glass everywhere. Damn, I'm so mad at myself for breaking this. This sucks. All right, I hope you guys can hear me over the air fryer, but I picked up the mess of the glass everywhere. It was like a juice thing, you know, you can do the juice in there. I don't know how to call that, but it broke. So I picked that up and then I kept prepping dinner. So I've got some potatoes in the air fryer. Oh, air fryer just finished, so I'm gonna mix them and put them in for another 10 minutes. I've got some broccolis in the stove with some pesto on them, and I'm about to cook some chicken. I sliced up the chicken just like this. It's all sliced up. And I'm going to put that on the stove, cook it, add some pesto to that. And then the potatoes were seasoned with some garlic plus seasoning. So that's dinner. And then I'm gonna make, I think I wanna make like a mayo with some pesto in it, or maybe like you can have mayo on the side and pesto, because I feel like the potatoes in the mayo might be really good. So kind of want to do that, but I'll show you guys the finished product once we're eating dinner. All right, dinner is ready. This is what it looks like. Let me show you a little close up. So we've got the broccoli, the chicken, some potatoes. Then I also put some pesto and some mayonnaise on the table so that we can either mix it all up or just dip. I personally really want to dip my potatoes in the mayonnaise. I think that's gonna be really good. And then if we want to add some pesto, then we'll have some right there. And I think this is gonna be it for today's vlog. So I'm gonna end it off here. I don't think we're gonna be taste testing the dates tonight, so probably in my next vlog. So make sure to subscribe so that you're there to see that vlog when it goes live. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up like I mentioned earlier. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye guys.